Alright guys, today I got another video for you guys. uh, it's how to remove the bolts from the wheel hub, the strip bolts, the broken bolts, or if you want to, for example, upgrade the bolts if you need a longer ones so you can put aftermarket wheels. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to do that. In this case, uh, I'm just using this old bearing and a wheel hub to show you guys how to do it. It's really easy. All you have to do is kick it out, and there it is. It's out. You can do with every single one of them. There's another one, and the next one. So yeah, you can kick out all of them, right? So why you want to do this? Let's say you don't have enough money to replace the whole thing, because these ones, this is a brand new one, that's a brand new wheel bearing. Let's say you don't have enough money, so you decide to just change these bolts. So you have a bearing laying around, and you're like, yeah, let me kick it out and put it back in this one. So here's the thing: every single one of these bolts are pressed in this wheel hub, right? So they have this little teeth, right? So they actually bite in the wheel hub plate or bearing or this front shield. So actually they bite in, so that prevents them from spinning. When they're inside there, that stops them from spinning. If this is not a good grip and not good bite, this will spin, right? So if you have a wheel on there and you try to over time remove this bolt, lug nut, if you try to remove it, this will start spinning and you're gonna have a hard time removing the wheel off. So yeah, the reason why you should look for new ones is just because of these teeth, because that way you know for sure they will actually bite in. But also you have to understand that this uh, wheel hub over time will wear as well. So how do you install them on? Well, there's different ways how to do it. A lot of people I seen, which I'm going to demonstrate today, I seen a lot of people trying to press them in with the wrench or ratchet. So this is pretty much how they do it though. I'll show you my way. This here's the thing: if you're trying to do this on a car, sometimes it will have a dust plate over here, so you will not be able to remove this bolt. Most of the cars will have a little opening on this side, like a hole or something, where you can spin this hub and pull the bolt out, but some don't. You have to replace the whole thing or take it off and then change this bolt. So yeah, this is the way to do it. I'm just gonna start it, right? Then I'm gonna put these nuts over here, and then I'm gonna get original lug nut, and then I'll tighten this thing, and you will start seeing this little gap over here. The gap, it will start getting smaller and smaller. As you can see, it's getting actually. Alright, so there it is. As you can see, it's been pressed in, right? Well, also one other thing, it don't matter what way you do it, I would always suggest buying the whole thing. Just because of that reason that this knot will spin, and then you're gonna have hard time taking this thing off. But in order to prevent that, I have a solution. This is my way of doing it. Let's say this is used one, right? This is used one. I don't have a new one, and I'm gonna just punch it back in. Until it's flush, right? Now, since it's flush, I'm just gonna hold it a little bit like that, and this is my solution how to actually keep this thing from spinning. And probably most of you know by now, that's one. The second one, and the third one I don't see really good, but just a little bit extra of extra safety don't hurt. I forgot the ground. I am no professional welder though, but I do know some things. Alright? Weld it and it will not spin. Alright? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you replace one of these bolts. Like I said, I will always suggest buying a brand new one, especially if the car is old, like my Eclipse, 20 years old. Those were never replaced, and yeah, buying one of these new ones will be an excellent upgrade for your car. So yeah, one other thing, the harder this spins, it's actually better. It means the bearing is doing its job. So over time it gets loose, and yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you install the bearings. I mean these nuts, the bolts on the bearings, and yeah, just like I said, hammering them down will not hurt nothing. I've done it before. Like I said, tack welding around will be just fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I want to thank you guys again for watching my videos and subscribing. Thank you all for following me, and I want to wish you guys a happy new year. and of course all the other holidays. Make sure you like it, subscribe, share with your friends, and yeah, stay good, guys. And new 2020, hopefully new things are coming for me and my eclipse. And yeah, I'll make sure that I make a couple more videos for you guys to check it out. So yeah, thank you again, guys. Laters.